Hello, Avishya fans and Handloom Saree lovers. I'm very happy to be meeting you today in this episode of Avishya Handloom Saree Story series. Last time, I took you through this wonderful collection of Soft Silk Kanjivarams, the traditional variety, the traditional collection. This week, in today's episode, we're going to be looking at a very special collection, also Soft Silk Kanjivarams, but this is a Pastel Pallu collection, and I'm sure you're going to be loving it. Let me start with the first one, which is a very, very dreamy, beautiful pink pastel pallu saree. I'll just open it out for you. Isn't it beautiful? Gorgeous. Really nice. Really dreamy tones. Beautiful pastels. The pastel pallu here is a very nice pink, very dusky pink. Because it is a pallu, we'll focus on the pallu. This is the pastel pallu collection. So the pallu is a beautiful pastel pink and it's got grand gold zari, the center panel of the pallu with lovely circular floral motifs with lovely undulating patterns going. It's very stylish. This is not a traditional collection. This is pastel pallus, but the styling here is very nice. The circles and the way these beautiful, wavy lines are going through them and the gold zari background is very nice. On both sides of the center panel, you've got silver zari, which is in very, very nice geometric shapes, beautiful geometric shapes all around both sides. Here and here, circular arches, there are diamonds, there are squares. It's very nice, very, very nice. The body itself is again another pastel color in this case. Beautiful, very nice, very metallic silver gray, very nice silver gray with beautiful zari motifs. If you see, the motifs are very modern, very lovely. There are hexagons, octagons, there are very nice geometric shapes, beautiful geometric shapes zari. It's in gold and then alternating with silver. And the borders are a lovely, the same pastel pallu tone, which follows here. Beautiful pink pastel tone on both sides of the border. Let's see what the blouse looks like. The blouse is again a beautiful, lovely pastel pink, and it combines very nicely with the body, and the blouse and the pallu make a fantastic combination together. Very nice, beautiful start to this pastel pallu collection. Next in the pastel pallu collection, we come to this very special saree. I think the pastel color in this case is Elaichi Green. Let me open this out for you. Fabulous. What makes it even more special is that the zari is copper zari in beautiful square shape or cuboid shape, whatever you may call it. So it's alternating with this Elaichi Green, and the copper color is very nicely, very intricately woven. It's like a very stylish floral motif. If you come close, you can see the detailing. It's very nice. It's very, very nice. So it's very modernized traditional motif, and on both sides you have very nice, beautiful silver zari floral motifs here on both sides. Beautiful floral motifs to round off the fantastic copper zari pallu, and of course the overall platform is Elaichi Green, and it's been combined with this fabulous deep navy body. So the pastel pallu in this particular saree is a contrast to the fabulous deep navy, very, very rich deep navy color of the body. And the body has alternating copper zari and silver zari square motifs. And same thing which we saw in the pallu, the same beautiful floral patterns, very stylish floral patterns. It's repeated here, but against the deep navy background. So it's very nice. The border is very thin. It's almost like a selvage. There's selvage. There's no border here. The selvage is zari, lovely silver zari on both sides. Very, very stylish. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Nice, beautiful. The blouse is the same Elaichi Green, and of course it contrasts very, very nicely with the body. It's very nice contrast, and the pallu. It makes a beautiful combination together. What do we have here? We have a very interesting pastel pallu combination here, and let me open this out. Very interesting. Nice, beautiful light saffron pastel pallu. It's very light saffron. Very, very nice. That's the pallu here. It's beautiful, and the pastel saffron has got beautiful floral motifs in the center panel, golden floral motifs. It's fabulous with nice star motifs, almost a very floral star in the center. It's alternating with a bunch of floral motifs here. It's very stylish. It almost looks like a Banarsi pattern. It's very, very stylishly done. And on both sides, this side and that side of the center panel, you have these lovely, it is like floral, but nice, very stylized, very modern motifs. It's almost floral, but it's not floral. It's very nicely, stylishly done motifs. And in the end, it's very geometric. It finishes off in a bunch of circles and squares. So overall, if you see, it's a very, very nicely, very artistically done, beautiful pallu. And what do we have here for the body? The body is a fabulous color of beige. Beautiful beige. It's what people also would call this a light tussa color. It's a nice beige, and all over the body you have vertical zari stripes. If you see, there are beautiful zari stripes here, and the stripe has got in between gaps here. It's almost like checks, almost like these, dots and dashes kind of a finish here. Beautifully done in gold zari, and ending with, of course, the borders are slightly large and beautiful. The same pastel saffron is here, the borders. So overall, it looks very, very nice. We need to look at how the blouse has been matched. Let's have a look. I'm sure it's a light saffron. Yes, beautiful. Lovely light saffron color, which goes fabulously with the beautiful light beige or tussa colors. Fabulous. Overall, it looks very, very rich and very regal color. If you like this collection, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. I'm sure you don't want to miss any of them. I'm sure you love them as much as we do. And please do also share this video with as many friends, colleagues, and neighbors as you can. Let's move on to the next saree. We will now move on to this next pastel pallu collection. Let's see what we have coming up here. We have the body in a very nice shade of brown. It's a chocolate brown. Very nice chocolate brown. And what do we have for the pallu? The pallu is a very lovely, beautiful, I would say a light nut brown pastel. It's a very, very light nut brown. It's beautiful. It's very, very nice, very light shade of brown, very light, nut brown it is. And the zari work on the pallu is very grand, and because it's this beautiful light brown, the gold zari has a very, very, very royal, very regal look, very luxurious look on the pallu. And both sides you have again these beautiful floral motifs on both sides of this particular center thing. And overall, the finish is also very, very arty, very nice. And of course, this design is very, very similar. It's almost the same as the last saree that we saw, so I'm sure you remember the central beautiful floral motifs and almost floral vines on both sides. And of course, the body is a nice chocolate brown, as you can see, which contrasts very nicely with this light nut brown pallu, right? And like the last saree that we saw, the zari motif is lovely. It's almost like a stitched zari stitches kind of pattern in thick gold zari, beautifully done from top to bottom, vertical zari, beautifully ending in this lovely light brown or sandalwood. You can pay somewhat of a sandalwood light brown color, beautiful nut brown color. It finishes there, and edging is of course lovely zari edging throughout, connecting the border to the body, right? Let's see what the blouse looks like. Very nice, beautiful, lovely shade of light brown. It's beautiful brown. It's almost platinum brown. The designs are beautiful, and the tone overall is very pastel, very dreamy, very, very rich. Here we have a slightly more colorful pastel. So this is a shade of pink. So you could call this a pastel pink. Let me open this up for you. Yes, nice shade of pastel pink. It's very, very nice, beautiful. This is a perfect tussa color, fantastic as people know it. And all over the body there are alternating silver zari and gold zari motifs. If you come closer, you can see this beautiful, it's almost like a hibiscus flower which is here. Lovely silver, and next is gold. So it's alternating gold, silver throughout the body. The borders are this lovely, beautiful, slightly, this pastel pink. And the pallu, of course, is very grand against the pink background. You can see the beautiful golden zari panel in the center, which is a nice jali work. Beautiful, very stylized floral motifs in the center, beautiful panel. And on both sides, you have lovely silver zari floral motifs, this side and that side too, which is flanking on both sides. And in the very end is a nice row of beautiful silver buds to end it. So overall, it's got a very, very nice look. But I would say this saree overall has got a very pastel look, more because of the body of this beautiful tussa color, the way it combines with the light pink of the pallu. It gives a lovely pastel flavor. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Nice, beautiful, lovely shade of pink, which combines with this fabulously gorgeous shade of tussa. And you saw the pallu. So overall, you can see how this combination will work. This body, this blouse, and this pallu will be a fabulous. It'll look like $1,000,000. It's fabulous saree. We now come to the grand finale of this particular collection, and we have a fabulous, a very, very enchanting shade of lavender. It's really, really nice. The body is lavender, and the pallu itself is a beautiful shade of, I would say it's a very mild green, very pastel green, and it combines beautifully with the gold zari of the pallu to give a metallic sheen. Beautiful shade of lovely pastel shade. It's a lovely shade. In fact, I'll have to use the name of a gemstone to describe this green. It's more a peridot. Those of you who know, who will appreciate gems will understand this is a lovely peridot background on which this lovely gold zari and the sides you have silver zari. So overall, it's got this rich, very, very splendorous look to the pallu, and in a very understated, very, very quiet, sophisticated way it is there. And of course, you see the weave, you can see this peridot on one side and the lavender. It's a short color, so you can see the two tones when you come closer. So it's a fabulous short color pallu. And of course, let's see the body, not to be missed. This very, very, very pretty, very, very bewitching shade of lavender. Very, very nice. And the zari, it's very, very stylishly done in geometric shapes and squares with the little florals in between. Very stylishly done in silver and gold. It's alternating in silver and gold. So this happens throughout the body. And let's see what the blouse looks like. Wow. Here, the beautiful, this short color blouse, which is a combination of peridot and lavender. Look at the sheen it gets. And therefore, because it's a short color of peridot and lavender, it goes beautifully, gorgeously combines with the body, the lavender of the body. And of course, the pallu has got the zari, silver and gold zari elements. And it looks absolutely stunning. It is one stylish, one looker of a saree, and I'm sure if you wear this, you will stand out among 100 people. So that ends our collection of beautiful pastel pallu soft silk Kanjivaram sarees. I really hope you enjoyed this saree and you enjoyed this collection as much as I enjoyed showing this to you. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our fabulous videos which I keep uploading from time to time. So please don't forget to hit the bell icon. And of course, if you want to take a closer look at our sarees, we are very happy to show them to you in person. Our store, Avishya store, is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We'll be very happy to show you the entire collection of pastel pallu soft silk Kanjivarams, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it as well. In our store, you can actually touch, feel the quality of the fabric, the pure Kanchi silk, the fabric. You can see how it looks. You can drape it, look at yourself in the mirror, in the trial room, figure out what works best for you and pick up whatever you like. And we'll be, of course, very, very happy to see you at our store, right? For those of you who are not in Chennai who say that, hey, I can't come out to Alwarpet, Chennai every time for this, log into avishya.com. Wherever you are in India or in the world, we'll be happy to interact with you. Our very, very friendly customer service team is there online 16 hours of the day. So whichever time zone you are in, they'll be happy to chat with you, help you with whatever queries you have, whatever doubts you have, and how to select, how to place the order, how to make your payment. All of these queries will be answered by them. So we'll be very happy to interact with you online as well. So they'll be very happy to meet you, and I'm sure you'll enjoy this lovely collection that you saw today. Thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.